Hello, Mrs. Beth here with another frequent asked question. Some of you have asked me, so how do I submit you my score if I already did the Google form that you're requesting? When you click on the form again, when you go back to the plan and click on the form, this is going to show you already responded. So this is what you come and that's what you get confused because sometimes you send me this and it doesn't work. But anyway, when you click view score, it takes you back to your form and your answers. So this is the link that I want you to submit. So you're going to copy this link and you're going to submit this link. When I receive this link, I can add the points, for example, for your name, that I'm giving you points for your name being correct and for your class to be correct. And also I can catch any other mistakes that you may have in the form or that I may have done in the form. So that's why I need you to submit that. This is where you're going to paste your link. You fill, this is the Google form, all classes, late work notifications, second semester. You're going to fill this form and you're going to submit. This is the link that I need when you are late with your scores for the Google Forms that I assign you. Please do so, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you have any questions, always please ask me questions. And if you don't find any frequent asked questions, I will make a video if it's a frequent question. I hope to see you soon. See you next video. Adios.